Hello, welcome to another Caketastic Cakes video. I'm going to show you today how to make the unicorn pieces that you see here, the ears and the horn. So you see all those unicorn cakes all over the place, and I'm going to show you how to make the two most important details on there. So I'm going to start with the ears. You get a flat piece of gum paste. I'm using white. I'm using my biscuit cutter. It's about 2 inches in diameter. So you cut out your 2 circles, just trim off the edges at the top, as you can see here. And then you just start shaping and trimming and rounding until you end up with 2 teardrop shapes, as you can see at the top there. I'm going to take 2 smaller circles. Those are going to be the inside of the ears, and do the same thing. Trim the sides, round it off, make them a nice size and shape, whatever size you like. And then I'm going to color them. I'm using an edible color mist. Wilton makes it, I think. And you just spray on the gold, let it dry, spray it on. Do that over and over. And then using a little bit of water, attach it to the outer part of the ear. And then I just pinch the bottom, as you can see there, just to have it easier to attach to the cake. This long piece I'm rolling out is going to become the horn. I have a wooden dowel. You can get them in the cake decorating section of Walmart. But when you roll it out, you want it to roll it thin on one end to thick on the other, and then spiral it up the stick. Now I'm adding a little bit of the gold spray, just like before. And that's it. You just let them dry, let them harden, and then you've got your horn and your ears, and that's it. Nice and easy. So if you found this super brief tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will show you how to make something awesome next time. Bye.